guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow Judebugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today we are starting 28 days of handbag unboxings. This month, as promised, I will be unboxing or revealing a bag every single day of the month. Thankfully it's a short month, and I am going to start it off with a very special reveal, a gorgeous piece, and it is something that I feel very lucky to be able to find and add to my collection. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is June. I am a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. I love all things luxury, especially handbags, vintage bags in particular. Literally anything vintage I get really excited about because I think they are really well-made quality bags and they're a lot more unique. So if that is something you're also interested in or you love to see, do subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. I will be uploading every day this month, so you don't want to miss out on the bags that I'm going to be revealing because some of them are going to be pretty freaking good. I will admit that to you guys now. And also I would love it if you could subscribe to my Instagram. I will put it here and in the info bar below. I hope to grow my Instagram a little bit more this year, so it would really mean a lot if you could give me a follow there and also share any videos and pictures that I upload. Yes, without further ado, let's get on to the first reveal. As you can see, I am decked out in my gorgeous vintage Chanel jewelry. I am wearing my vintage large CC earrings and my large CC necklace. The reason being is today is a Chanel unboxing. It comes in this gorgeous little dust bag here. Just a little bit of a backstory on this bag. Moving forward, I will try and keep the videos short because I want it to be easy to edit and upload, but it's our first video, so let's just have a little chat, shall we? This bag I've always wanted to add to my collection. Being like a vintage Chanel lover, I absolutely love this style bag. Like, I had always planned to add it to my collection, but when this particular style came up, I just thought it was perfect because it is a little bit of a variation to the norm, which you guys know I always love that. I love something that's classic but a little bit different. So when I saw this, I jumped on it because I have seen these bags before, but it is actually quite rare. And in the color that I managed to find it in, I'm really happy with it because as basic as this color is, you don't actually find this bag in this color very often. So this is the bag right here. As you can see, very worn Chanel dust bag. Please welcome the very first handbag to be unboxed this month. It is the Chanel Vintage Square Mini in the black lambskin and gold hardware. Now I hear you, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, hang on a minute, that's not as exciting as you made it out to be, but are you ready for it? This actually comes with a built-in chain top handle strap so that you can wear this bag as a top handle. It's actually like the very vintage version of like the top handle minis that we've got now. It is such a gorgeous bag. This is actually so hard to come by. It is a variation of the very classic Chanel Square Mini. The advantage of this is also that you can detach these straps here and actually wear it as a top handle on its own, which is so cute. It makes for the most perfect evening bag if you don't want to crossbody like the bag, because you know sometimes wearing crossbody bags do make it a lot more casual, but it is otherwise exactly the same as a normal like Chanel Vintage Square Mini. So it's got the pocket on the back, the turn lock closure at the front. If you open it up, you can see that it actually has these grommets there, so it is non-detachable. It doesn't have that CC on there because that's a variation, and then as you can see, just very simple burgundy lining with the slip pocket and then the zip pocket at the back. This is a very vintage piece, so it didn't actually come with the authenticity card, but like honestly that doesn't matter because this bag is so hard to find, and I knew I wanted this variation of the Chanel Square Mini because the Square Mini, like, I love that bag, but you know, this is so much cooler. And what I love about the fact that you can detach this strap is that it means you can add other straps to it as well. So not only can you wear it top handle like this, which makes for the cutest little evening bag. If you want to, you can add a third-party strap. So this one's actually from Fendi. It came with my baguette. I very rarely use this, but since adding this, I found that this combination looks so cool together because it just makes it a lot more casual, but also it's like very classic with a modern twist on it. So it's very cool. So this is one way you could wear this bag, so with a very thick strap. It does make it shorter, which I love. I actually love this length. This is primarily how I would wear this bag, just to make it different. But you can also buy, you know, those sports straps and add it to this bag as well. It's such a cool little bag for a vintage bag. So cool. Let me just show you my white version. So this is the white square mini. That is just the standard mini. I love this bag. Actually, this is such a showstopper, and it is still in amazing condition for a white bag. This is your standard Chanel square mini, where you can see the strap actually attaches to the body. This makes it really sturdy, which means like you can really put a lot in it and it's really well supported. But as you can see, I've just added on a top handle, which is an option for you if you wanted. The only thing is you can't take this strap off, so it's always going to be dangling there, and you can't replace it with a different strap. So there are certainly pros and cons to just getting the standard one. You can still make it very similar to this bag right here, but this just is so cool and versatile, and I'm so happy to add it to my collection. You can definitely find this still on the pre-loved market. I've seen quite a few, you know, just floating around. I've seen a red one and a blue one. But I have to say, having it in a black is exactly what I wanted, because if I got it in a red or a blue, then finding like third-party straps that would match that color would be a lot more difficult compared to black, which means you can pretty much add whatever strap you want. So I'm really just so thrilled to have this in my collection. It's honestly such a gorgeous bag. But yeah, that is my first reveal. This I got from a Japanese consignment seller off of Rakuten, I believe, and I do still shop on Rakuten. They don't ship direct, but you can actually get a parcel forwarding service through Rakuten, and they will forward it onto you. So really good option if you're interested in it. I can't remember the seller, but honestly, you just have to shop around because they're probably not going to sell the same thing. But yeah, amazing bag, gorgeous vintage lambskin leather. I absolutely love it. But yeah, that is my first handbag reveal of this month. Do let me know what your thoughts are. As mentioned, I will be uploading a video every day this month, so you do not want to miss out. This is the first time I've done something of this commitment. You guys know I am flaky as hell when it comes to YouTube, just because it gets hard with a busy lifestyle, especially when you're the one filming, editing, and you know, doing all of that stuff. So it gets to be a lot, but I'm really pushing myself this year. I really want to get back into the swing of things, and what better way than to do a handbag reveal and unboxing every day this month. Like, yes, and I am that crazy. I do have a bag that I can refill every day, which is insane. Now, bear in mind, doing these reveals, I will just reiterate that these are bags that I've bought over the space of 3 years that I've sort of been on and off YouTube. So a lot of these bags I've already opened, used. I just haven't revealed it on this channel. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to get that out there. And then once I've revealed everything, I can finally do a handbag collection video, which I know you guys have been dying for. I know. I don't think I've done one in 5 years. That's how long it's been. So yes, anyways, you guys, that is it from me. Please give this video a thumbs up. I promise you it will not be this long every single time. They will get shorter and shorter, but you know, today is the big day. Today is the first big reveal, so I of course had to ramble. I do love you guys though. I really am so thankful for always supporting me, especially those who continue to watch me time and time again despite me being super inactive. And also for those who follow me on Instagram, feel free to chat with me on there. I love to hear from you guys. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me, and it would really help motivate me. And please don't forget to share with any friends or family who also love handbag reveals and unboxings. They are gonna be good, I promise you. So hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.